Wondering what are the latest WhatsApp tips and tricks of 2023? Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to dive into some of the most useful and interesting features that WhatsApp has introduced this year. These tips will help you navigate WhatsApp like a pro, enabling you to get the most out of this popular messaging platform. So, buckle up for an insightful journey through WhatsApp's latest features. First on our list is the disappearing messages feature. WhatsApp introduced this feature to ensure your chats remain private and don't linger around longer than necessary. To activate this feature, open a chat, tap on the contact's name, and select Disappearing Messages. Once enabled, any new messages will disappear from the chat after 7 days. Next up, we have the Custom Wallpaper feature. This allows you to set a different wallpaper for each chat. To use this feature, open a chat, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, select Wallpaper, and choose your desired image. This can add a personal touch to each chat and make your messaging experience more enjoyable. The third trick is the Mute Video feature. Sometimes you might want to share a video without the audio. To do this, select the video you want to send, and before hitting send, tap on the speaker icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will mute the video, allowing you to share it without any sound. Moving on, we have the Read Later feature. This is a revamped version of the Archive Chats feature, which allows you to move chats you want to read later into a separate Read Later section. To do this, long press on the chat you want to move and select Read Later from the options that appear at the top of the screen. The fifth trick is the Advanced Search feature. This allows you to search for specific types of messages within a chat. Tap on the magnifying glass icon in the chat. Select the type of content you're looking for, such as photos, links, or videos, and WhatsApp will show you all the relevant messages. Finally, we have the Sticker Suggestions feature. This suggests stickers based on the words you type. Simply start typing in the chat, and WhatsApp will automatically suggest stickers related to the words you use. In summary, the top WhatsApp tips and tricks of 2023 include the Disappearing Messages feature for enhanced privacy, the Custom Wallpaper feature for personalizing your chats, the Mute Video feature for sharing videos without sound, the Read Later feature for managing your chats, the Advanced Search feature for finding specific content, and the Sticker Suggestions feature for a fun and interactive messaging experience. By mastering these features, you can truly make the most of what WhatsApp has to offer, so go ahead and give these tricks a try. You'll be surprised at how much they can enhance your WhatsApp experience.